Order in the court! You, Skunk Baxter, are accused of being a peeping Tom at the Rock City Bird Hatchery. Defendant, approach the witness box.
Boy, I could use a box right about now. This one looks like a suitable box. Don't mind if I do. Here we go.
Order in the court! What, do you think you're at home? A witness box is not a litter box.
Oh, any port in the storm, I always say. Seems to be working fine to me. But hey, it's starting to stink around here. Oh my God, Judge, behind you. Is that Canary Mason? Oh no.
Skunk Baxter, you can't get away with it. We found your studded silver collar underneath the robin's nest.
Oh, I guess you got me now. Oh, yeah, I did it. I'm guilty. I'm as guilty as sin. But you know what? I'm not going to take your silly justice. I'm going to mete out my own justice. I'm going to take out the bailiff. Get over here.
No! No! He got the bailiff! Oh no, stop him! Stop him!
Daddy, you're up.
Oh,
You're next. I got you. Get over here.
Oh no!
You're going to get it. Boy.
I'm gonna need a wheelchair!
You're going to need a wheelchair. I'm done with you.
Get him! Someone
Boy.
stop him!
Justice tastes sweet. Where's that judge? Get over here, you. Don't quack me. You've had this coming all day. Boy, I got justice for you right here.
That concludes another episode of Canary Mason. Stay tuned next week when our special guest star will be Clive, the cat burglar.
Can your heart stand it?